Congratulations on coming across Team DeAngelo. Imagine you learn how to build a stable income of $1,000 to $12,000 plus a month, paid daily. What would you do with that money? Buy a car? Down payment on a house? No more being told you're only worth so much an hour. Work as much as you want. Make as much money as you want. Now pay close attention, because I'm going to reveal how you too can build a stable income of $1,000 to $12,000 plus a month. This never-before-revealed training method's so powerful and so simple that I had to make over 150 plus training videos, all designed to help you build a stable income online. You were brought here for one simple reason. You need money, and lots of it. Your current income isn't where you want it to be. You know deep down you deserve to be rich. The truth is, it doesn't matter about your education, your current job, your experience, as long as you have my training and able to copy and paste, follow directions, and you believe you deserve to be rich. If you truthfully want to change your life, then I can help you. If you don't, I can't. I can bring you to the well, but I can't make you drink. The truth is, my training can take anyone, no matter their age or skill level, and build them a stable income online. My name is DeAngelo, and I am an expert in making money online. I have done just about everything: CPA, MLM, affiliate marketing, and so on. I have joined a ton of programs, and just about every single one of them have the same things in common. They hide what they are really doing, hyped you up and give a few videos, and they're gone. Then to make matters worse, the videos never really show you anything, just someone talking in a PowerPoint, and you just wasted your hard-earned money. I wanted to change that, so people don't ever have to worry about getting scammed again. So I made Team DeAngelo, the first MLM training company designed to actually educate you and guide you step by step to success. I personally made every single video. Yes, all 150 plus of them, which I also update and maintain for you. You will learn how to generate a stable income with CPA, eBay, Amazon, ClickBank, and Fiverr, and even receive daily $20 commissions from me and so much more. You might not understand what all those terms are just yet, but just know you will make money with all of them, and lots of it. That is what my training does for you. Educate you and have your bank account full of money. The cost to join Team DeAngelo is only $25. No upgrade fees, no monthly fees, and no hidden fees. You're only $25 away from changing your life. What do you have to lose? Nothing. But you have so much to gain. Team DeAngelo will change your life.